Hi, my name is Rose and I'm the Customer Support Operations Manager here at Loop. Two of the most common coverages that we get questions about are comprehensive and collision coverage. Let's break it down. Comprehensive coverage covers your vehicle regardless of who's at fault for natural disasters. Think things like fire, hail, wind damage, those sorts of things. That coverage typically has a deductible. Whatever your deductible amount is the amount that you would pay towards repairs, and then your carrier would take care of the rest. The next coverage is collision coverage. And collision coverage covers your vehicle regardless of who's at fault when your vehicle is collided with another vehicle or an object. This coverage also comes with a deductible amount. So whatever your deductible amount is again going to be the payment that you make towards repairs, and then your insurance carrier would take care of the rest. Think of examples like rear end, fender benders, parked car hits, those sorts of things. Another reason why these coverages are commonly asked about is because a lot of times when you have a lien holder attached to your vehicle, you're financing your car, that lien holder will require that you have comprehensive and collision coverage added to your policy. Thanks for listening, guys. This was Auto Insurance Explained with Loop. For more videos, subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment if you have any more questions.